2 short years from 1964, Isaac made his greatest contributions to mathematics, inventing calculus as well as discovering the law of universal gravitation with extensive work on spectrums. He clarified the rules of differentiation and integration through the method of series. Newton wrote Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, summarizing his discoveries on motion. In it, he formulated the 3 laws of motion, discussing the motion of bodies in free space and the solar system, including celestial movements. Newton extended the binomial theorem and discovered the law of universal gravitation, which explains how the universe operates on a greater scale. Newton's method is used to give relations between polynomials which have applications in many areas of mathematics like Galois theory, invariant theory, group theory, and combinations. He classified cubic plane curves and made substantial contribution to the theory of finite differences. Newton's identities show important relationships between roots and coefficients of equations.
Newton has had a huge impact on mathematics, some of whom formulated their rules on the basis of calculus, such as L'Hopital, who would have found no limits and possibly gone on forever. Newtonian physics is the precursor to all modern physics, with the possible exception of abstract things like quantum mechanics. Einstein's special relativity is simply Newtonian physics, which takes into account that the speed of light is constant, rather than distance and time, as Newton and his peers thought.
Newton's discovery of calculus, legend says, may very well have been inspired by an apple falling from a tree. As an apple falls, it moves faster and faster. That is, it has not only a velocity, but an acceleration. Newton expressed this mathematically by supposing that at any stage of its motion the apple drops a small additional distance, or delta s, during a brief additional time interval of delta t. Then the velocity is very nearly equal to the distance s divided by the time t. The exact velocity v would be the limit of s divided by t as t gets closer and closer to 0, or as we say, approaches 0. Newton is credited with the discovery of calculus, which has applications in most fields of mathematics. The importance of calculus is that it provides a systematic way for the exact calculation of many areas, volumes, and other quantities.